What's going on out there, everybody? This is Freddie with JDS Kennels. As you can see, I got both sets of puppies mixing. You got that boy there, he's antisocial. He wanna step up in the house. That's gonna be a good breeding. That's my next breeding right there, y'all. Those two. This blue trout female is officially available. That blue brindle male is available. That brown and white female right there is available. So yeah, we got a couple puppies available. You got that brown and white female right here. She's 6.5 months. You got that blue brindle boy right there is available. You have, I'm putting this boy on the market. That blue and white male here is available. But yeah, that's how we come. JDS Kennels. This is my girl here. Look how big Brutus is. Mind you now, Brutus is that little male right there. And he's almost the size of the bigger pups. He's only 2.5 months. These other pups are 6.5 months.